This week on OpenAlly, 8 new features shipped. Vibe pages, the model catalog, images in chat, email, Google Business, Swiggy, backup, and Passkeys. First up, Vibe pages. Describe a mood, and OpenAlly builds you a real web page. Background, title, and a music playlist. Name it, drop in a photo, paste a playlist link, then publish, and it's live, served straight off your phone. Next, the model catalog, rebuilt. Every current model is in the list, grouped by provider, and the retired ones are marked, not quietly dropped. Then set how hard it thinks. The depth dial only offers the levels that model actually supports. Third, image generation, right inside the chat. Ask for a picture in plain language. It tells you it's working, then the image lands in the conversation. Everything it makes is labeled AI made, and your provider key never leaves the device. Number 4, your inbox handled. Connect a mailbox and OpenAlly reads the thread, labels it, and writes the reply for you. But nothing sends on its own. Drafts wait for your OK, and if one breaks a rule you set, it gets held and tells you why. 5, Google Business. Your whole Google profile in one place, reviews, posts, listing, insights, and an audit score that moves when you fix things. It drafts the review replies, you change a line and send, or arm an auto-reply rule that's narrow, capped, and expires on its own. 6, Swiggy built-in. Food, groceries, and restaurant tables. Your AI does the looking across Swiggy Food, Instamart, and Dineout. Change the delivery address and the total reprices in front of you. And placing the order is never automatic. The confirm sheet is mandatory. You tap it, not the agent. 7, your backup finds you. Sign in on a new phone and OpenAlly goes looking for your last backup by itself. Which device? How big? How old? One tap and the new phone picks up exactly where the old one stopped. And 8, Passkeys. No password, no 6-digit code, your fingerprint or your face on every device you sign in from. And every other way in still works. Google, Apple, GitHub, and the rest, all pointing at one account. That's 8 features shipped this week. OpenAlly, your AI, your apps, your privacy, get it at openally.ai.